Proseccer,
Bethel,
and we are the Twin Chefs.
In today's video, we're going to show you guys how to make fruit popsicles.
This recipe is easy and simple, and it has healthy ingredients. And also, if we can make it, you guys can definitely make it. So let's get started.
So what we have here is, you're going to need a measuring cup like this. You're going to need some honey, and we're going to make two flavors today. So we're going to need strawberries and banana for our first flavor, and for our second flavor we're going to need blueberries and mangoes. We're also going to be using popsicle molds. If you don't have it, that's okay. You can use paper cup. You can use paper cups, or you could buy it on Amazon. And you're going to need a food processor. Okay, so first we're going to start out with our strawberries. We're going to put our strawberries. I put the strawberries, and now I'm going to put some honey.
A little squirt.
Like a little squirt of it, because you want to make it a little more tasty, and so it can stick together as well. Now we're going to blend it until it's puree. Okay, so now I finished blending it, and now it's like a puree. So I'm going to take it out, and I'm going to put it in our measuring cup. All of it. Okay, so now we finished doing the strawberry. Now I'm going to do the banana. So we're just going to peel the banana. So now we put the bananas in the food processor. So it's okay. It's optional if you want to put honey or not. I'm just going to put a little squirt of it. And after that, we're going to just blend it like we did with the strawberry. So we finished blending the strawberry and the banana. So what we're going to do next is we're going to layer it in the popsicle molds. So first goes our strawberry, and then I'm going to put my banana, and then after that, in goes strawberry again. Sorry. And we're going to do the exact technique over again. We're just going to put all strawberries in all of the popsicle molds. And now I'm going to put banana little by little, and then I'm just going to put it in all of the rest of the 5. Okay, so just now we're going to add a little bit by little. And now we're going to layer the strawberry on top. Okay. And now we're just after we finished it, we just put the lid on here. And then we're going to freeze it for 4 to 5 hours, and we'll do the same exact thing for the blueberries and mangoes. And also, if you're actually doing it with a paper cup, you can use a popsicle stick, and also you could just use some aluminum foil to cover the puree. And now we're going to do the same technique, but with different fruits, blueberry and mango. So I'm just going to get the mango. Okay, so now we did our mango and blueberry and our strawberry and banana. So now we're going to freeze it for about 4 to 5 hours, and then we'll see you then. Our popsicles are ready, and they look like this. They look so beautiful. So now we're going to taste. So you just, and also it has been like about 5 to 6 hours since we put it in the freezer. So now we're just going to slowly take it out of the mold. Looks good. Now we're just going to taste. This tastes so good. We hope you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to subscribe and share with all your friends and family. And don't just watch this video, make it. Bye!